During the 15-minute break, that break is for you all to relax yourself. Don't use the phone because you're using the screen already, and then you will use again the screen. So 15 minutes, relax yourself to go out and do something. Okay, but be safe.
I am watching TV and eating Maggie.
Ma'am, my friends have come to for cycling.
Okay, that is better. 15 minutes you can go out and you can roam here and there, and then you can come back. Now all of you stand up. Jayesh, what did you do? Jayesh, what you did in this 15 minutes? Unmute. Unmute Jayesh with bache. Huh.
Ma'am, I play my brothers with cricket.
Okay, go out and do something because you're continuously sitting on the screen. So go out, look here and there, and then come back. Now everyone stretch yourself. Stand up. Stretch yourself. Stand up, everyone. Ashvik, I can't see you. Saif, I can't see you. Riddhi Singh, I can't see you. Dev, I can't see you. Iram, I can't see you. Stand up. Stand up. Everyone. Okay. Iram, stand up. Put the phone somewhere. Iram, don't keep the phone in your hand. Keep the phone somewhere. Be relaxed. Yes, good. Just let it be. Okay. Stretch your arms, everyone. Stretch your arms. Stretch them. Stretch them. You know how to stretch? Yes, like this. Stretch them up. Tightly. Tightly. Up. Side. Up. Up. Tightly up. Should be up. Up. Or ऊपर करो. Just do it. Tightly up. जितना ऊपर हो सकते हो. How? Let me see. How can you increase your heights? How many of you want to? Your heights should be increased. So stand up, Seth. While sitting, you cannot do it. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Lakshita, I can't see you, bache. Lakshita, I can't see you. Switch on your video. Yes, good. Side, turn side. Turn sideways. Yes, good. Kushag, this is cheating, beta. This is cheating. This is cheating what you are doing. Yes, sideways. Yes, Kushag, sideways. Iram, side. Sideways. Okay, another side. Saif, this is also cheating. Keep the phone somewhere. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. Utsav, only one side. Not like this. I'm not going to ask you for dance.
Not like this.
No dancing. No dancing. Yes. No dancing. Yes. Spread sideways. Spread sideways. Stretch yourself sideways. Phone is falling. Good. Spread sideways. Sideways nahi pata hai. Like this. One side. Now another side. Left, right.
Now my camera is irritated with me.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Quick, quick, quick. Arey, Dev, aise nahi. Dev, why are you doing like this? Okay, now come back to the chapter now. Come fast, quick. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, so 15 minutes break. You will go out and you will play or do something else. Okay, don't sit in front of the mobile phones and play the game. Nobody will play the game. And Ashvik, pasta khatam hua to beta side rakh do usko. Okay, now everyone sit properly. Switch off your mics. Okay. So I have to teach you about factors. Okay, so let me speak. Okay, nobody will speak in between. I'm going to mute you all. Please don't unmute yourself until and unless I ask you to do it. So many are absent in this period. Then they will not be able to know what I teach them. Okay. Factors. Factors are actually the opposite of multiples. If I say 3 ones are 3. Okay. So here, this 3 is known as multiple. This 3 is a multiple. We know that. But this 3 is, wait for a minute, just let me, Now it is ready. I have to show you factors. 3 ones are 3. So 3 is a multiple. Okay, we know that. 3 ones are 3, so 3 is a multiple. 3 and 1, they both are factors here. Because factors are in which table this 3 is coming. This 3 is divisible by what numbers? That means in which table this 3 is coming. So 3 is coming in the table of 3. 3 is coming in the table of 1. Now let me give you one more example. For example, 3 twos are 6. Okay? Here. 3 twos are 6. 6 is what? 6 is a multiple. You know that? 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. But 3 and 2 here, they both are factors of 6. 3 and 2 are factors of 6. So let us see how many possible factors are this. 3 and 2 are factors. But let us see, are there more factors of 3 or 6 or not? So let's see. 6. Sorry. How can we write? Now I'm going to, you can unmute yourself. I'm going to give you permission. But tell me the answer and quickly unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. Start telling me the answer.
Ma'am,
How can you write 6?
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3. Better listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. 2 3s are 6. But how can we write in other way 6? By multiplication only.
Ma'am, 1.
1. You can write 1 as 6.
Ma'am, first.
ma'am,
Ma'am, 6 and 6.
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice.
Better see. If you can see 3 2s are 6. How can you write 6 in other ways?
Ma'am,
Can
2
you-
3 is 6.
2 3
Ma'am,
is
2 3 is
already
6.
given. Okay, 2 3 is already given. 3 2s and 3 2s
Ma'am, 3 2
are
are 6.
same. 2 3s and 3
Ma'am,
2s are same.
ma'am,
2
1 6 are 6.
Very good, Utsav. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
6 1s are 1 6 are 6, or you can say 6 1s are 6 is also correct. So 6 is what here? This 6 1 is what? This is what? This is multiple or factor?
Multiple.
This 6 is a multiple.
Multiple.
This 6 is a multiple. And 6 and 1 are there. They are what?
Factors.
So let us see. Factors of 6 are 2, 3, 6, 1. Factors of 6 are 2, 3, 2, 1, 6. Okay. These all are factors of 6. It means in which table 6 is coming? 6 is coming in the table of 2. 6 is coming in the table of 3. 6 is coming in the table of 1. 6 is coming in the table of 6. That means the 2 can divide 6.
Ma'am,
3 can divide 6.
2 3
1 can
1
divide.
6 are factors of 6.
Kushal, let me speak, beta. May I speak? May I speak? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
2 3 1 6. Wait, beta, because you are not able to see me. So 2, 3, 1, 6. These all are factors of 6. Why? Because they are dividing this 6. When we divide by 6 these numbers, we will get the remainder as 0. Okay, so this is a multiple and these are known as factors. So understood the difference between the multiples and factors?
Yes,
Understood the
ma'am.
difference between the multiples and factors? Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now, let me teach you how to take out the factors. What are factors, first of all? A little bit introduction is left. Just wait. Now, let me take the same number 6. Suppose you have to calculate. This is an easy example I'm giving to you. Okay. So, you have to calculate the factors of 6. You have to calculate what are the factors of 6. Beta, multiples are infinite, but factors are limited. Okay, multiples are infinite. You cannot
Yes,
write
ma'am.
all the multiples, but you can write all the factors because they are not all factors. This is written all factors. You cannot take out all the multiples because they are infinite, but you can take out few factors, all factors. Okay, so how will we check that this is a factor of 6 or not? How many factors of 6 are there? We have to take it.
M.
So wait, Uttam, let me speak first because I'm teaching right now. While teaching, nobody will speak. When I will ask you, when I'll finish up, then you can tell me, okay? The doubts or everything. See, factors of 6. See, first of all, we will see, I'm going to make a rough column here. Okay. I will write 1. 1, see, 1 is a factor of every number. Because in one table, every number comes. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. So every number comes in the table of 1. Is it or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nobody will speak. Nobody will speak. Yes and no. Okay. Yes. Very good. Yes. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Now, let's 1 is a factor. Now, next, after 1, what comes next? After 1?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 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 two.
Ma'am है?
Ma'am, he is saying ma'am 1, 2.
Okay, see. Acha, do one thing also. In one's table, when does 6 come?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 6.
3 is a.
6. So
Six.
you will write
Ma'am.
6 also. 1 6 are 6 na? So 1 6 are 6. We have written. That means it will come in the table of 6 also and 1 also. Why? Because 1 6 is 6 na? That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let us see by 2. Does 6 comes in the table of 2? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When does it come in the table of 6? Tell me quickly.
3 is
Ma'am, 3.
2
Three.
3s
Ma'am,
are
3.
6. Yes. 2 3.
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am.
2 3s are 6 na? So 2 3s are. Does it come in the table of 4 6?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No,
5
No, ma'am.
5.
No, ma'am.
Table of 5?
No, ma'am.
No. 6.
No, ma'am.
But it is written already there.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all factors of 6. These are all factors of 6. Now I'm going to teach you something. Okay. How much time is left? Let me check. It's 20 minutes are there.
Ma'am,
So
20
beta,
minutes.
be relaxed. Be relaxed, okay? Because I'm not going to teach you anything. I'm going to tell you some short tricks related to maths. Okay. So it is enjoying for you. Enjoy them. Today
Yes, ma'am.
this strength is very less. 4 students are not there. Still, those who are watching the recording, please watch this video because this is very important. Okay. If you are not able to understand in once, please watch the recording of this class. Okay, divisibility. Okay, divisibility I will tell you afterwards. If I ask you 3, 9, 4, 5. If I ask you within 2 minutes, you have to tell this number is divisible. What does the word divisible mean? I'm going to tell you first.
I know, ma'am.
Tell
And
me.
it can be
Who said I know, ma'am?
Ma'am, which can be easily divided by any number.
Easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, easily या difficulty?
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am,
Nahin,
completely. Ma'am, you can say.
completely divided by
Yes.
any
We
number.
don't say
Yes, ma'am,
easily.
completely.
Completely
We don't
divided.
say easily. We say it completely. Okay, don't say easily. We say completely. That means remainder is 0. For example, I'm giving you 13 is divisible by 3. Is it yes, true or not? Divisible as this short form of divisible.
Ma'am, true.
Is it true?
false, ma'am.
False.
No,
Because
ma'am.
when you divide 13 by 3,
Ma'am, reminder.
3 4s are 12, you will get a remainder as 1.
1.
You will get the remainder as 1. Therefore, 13 is not divisible by 3. 13 is not divisible by 3. Okay? 13 is not divisible by 3. So divisibility means remainder comes 0. Okay, for example,
Yes,
I'm giving you 12
ma'am.
is divisible by 3. Is it true or not?
Yes, ma'am. True.
Yes, 12 is
Yes,
divisible
ma'am.
by 3. Why? Because when we divide 12 by 3, 3 fours are 12 and we get the remainder as 0. If the remainder is 0, then yes, it is divisible by 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Divisible meaning understood? Okay, now you have to check a big number. These are small number. You read the table and you find out. Suppose if I ask you 3945, you have to check whether it is divisible. ये 3 से divide हो जाएगा number या नहीं होगा. You have to check this. Within 2 minutes you have to tell. Can you tell? 2 minutes meaning within 1 minute. I can tell you within 1 minute that it is. सिर्फ ये बताना है. Is it no? Utsav, what are you doing right now? Are you doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who all are doing this? Raise your hand. Just wait. Raise your hand, all those who are doing this. Who started doing like this. Raise your hand, Rachit. Okay. Are you doing like this? Those who have started doing like this, divide. I am going to tell you a short trick for this. You can tell within minutes, within seconds, you can tell whether it is. आपको ये करने की जरूरत भी पड़ेगी. You need not to do this. You need not to do this. I'm going to tell you one trick, which easily you can find out it is divisible by 3 or not. So, okay, but you have to remember there is difference for every digit. Okay, let me tell you, is it divisible by 2 or not? Tell me. This is easy one.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
Utsav,
ma'am.
why?
And because this is an odd number.
Very good. As he said that this is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So there are tricks for this. So for 2, what we check, if you have to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. If you have to check this number is divisible by 2 or not. What we do, we check whether the last digit is even or odd. We check the last digit is coming in the table of 2 or not. What we check? Ones digit we check. Ones digit, it should come in the table of 2. 394. As Utsav said, yes, this is not coming in the table of 2. Why is it not coming in the table 2? Because this is an odd number. We always check the ones digit. Ones digit is coming in the table of 2 or not? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
That means,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Acha, tell me. Is it divisible by 2 or not?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because the last digit, you have to check the last digit for 2. The last
Yes,
digit should
ma'am.
be 02468. As you forget, 02468. Even number. It should be a
Yes, ma'am.
even number. Now I'm going to tell you for 3. Just you all, I think most of you knows this one. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you the second. For 3. How will you check for 3? You have to check whether it will be divisible or not. So no need to divide like this, Utsav and Kushagra, what most of you were doing. We need not to do this. This is very long method. Okay, to check. So I'm going to tell you one easy method. What you do, there are digits. What are those digits? Tell me in 3045.
Ma'am, 3, 0, and 4 and 5.
3, 0,
0.
5. These are
Ma'am,
four
these are
digits.
even.
Add them.
Yes, ma'am.
Add them. What is coming?
Plus 9. Ma'am, 12.
9.
12 is
Ma'am,
coming.
12.
12 comes in the table of 3 or not?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Ma'am,
3045 is divisible by 3 or not?
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Let me give you one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
example.
Ma'am, it is so easy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's very easy.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very easy. नहीं.
Ma'am, बहुत ही.
Okay. What we do now? Divided by.
Ma'am, we will. Ma'am, we will
What are
plus
four
all the
digits?
digits.
What are four digits? Tell me.
Ma'am,
One,
one, three, two.
3, 2.
Ma'am, it's not.
plus these
Ma'am, the
digits.
answer is
Ma'am, no.
coming
Ma'am, the answer
7.
is no.
Ma'am, no.
7.
Seven.
No.
The answer is
Seven
no.
comes in the table of 3. 7
No,
comes in the
ma'am.
table of 3. Yes or no?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. 7 does not. So this is not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 3. Understood?
Yes.
Easy, easy or not? Ashvik, speak properly. Yes, Ashvik, Bhujan.
Ma'am, it's very easy, very easy. Ma'am, I understand for 3, but I can't understand how to.
But you don't understand how to do. You understand the method. You have to add the digits. You have to add the digits. Add them. Okay. Add all the digits, whatever there are. If the sum is coming in the table of 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the sum is not coming in the table of 3, then it will not be over 3. If it is not coming in the table of 3, then it is not divisible by 3. Okay. This is the thing. Okay. Now, similarly for 9 also you can check. As you have done in 3, similarly we'll do it for 9. Wait, 3, 6, 9, 10. 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay. For 3, see. You have to check whether this number will be divided by 9 completely or not. So what will you do? Start doing like this?
Ma'am, it completely.
You will start doing like this?
Completely.
You will start doing like this? Yes
No,
or no?
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Beta
ma'am.
9.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Wait,
yes,
let me speak. Okay, I'm going to mute you all. Please don't unmute yourself. Gunagya is here. Gunagya, please switch on your video. Okay. Now see. So, Ashvik Mike. Huh. See, for 9, 9 is same as 3. 9 is same as 3. Okay. So, what we do? 5, 0, 4, 0. These are all the digits. Add them. 5 plus 4 is 9. Does 9 comes in the table of 9? Yes. 9 divided by 9 is possible? Yes. So if you divide this 5040 by 9, then the answer will be yes. There will be no remainder left when you divide it. Why? Because 9 divided, the sum is divisible by 9. Okay. Now, let me give you one more example for 9. Okay. Now see, 1 plus 5 plus divided by 9. Okay. 9 plus 9. Tell me the this answer for this. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9.
Ma'am,
Huh.
Ma'am, 23.
ma'am, 24. Ma'am, 24.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
24. Does it come in the table of 9?
No, ma'am.
Beta, don't check for 3. If we are checking for 9, then we will divide by 9. Is it come or
Ma'am,
not?
24.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
answer will
No,
be
ma'am.
okay.
No.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
there will be 4599. Then
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then it. Yes, ma'am.
What will be the sum?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the sum will come. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the 27, ma'am. 27.
Sum will be 27.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
27 will
It
be
will.
divided by 9. Is it possible? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It is yes. So therefore 459 is divisible by 9. Yes.
Ma'am, 9 3s are 27.
Yes. That's why this is correct. This is divisible by 9. So understood for 2, 3 and 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to write the summary over there. What we have done. Just wait. For 2, what we checked? What we checked for 2?
Even number.
It should be last digit. We check the last digit. What we check? Last digit.
Ma'am, last day.
Last digit should be
Even.
even number. I hope the board is visible. Okay. Last digit should be even number. 3 के लिए what we check?
Ma'am, plus all the digits.
Plus means
Ma'am, plus or
sum.
ma'am, sum.
Also, if it, what we did, we checked how we checked it, divided by 3. Okay. For 9, what we did? For 9, what we did? Again, we did the
Ma'am,
sum.
the same thing.
And same as 3.
Same as 3. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to anyone?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see this properly. Okay, now I'm going to tell you for 10. 10 is also very easy. See, read the table of 10.
10 is the 10, 20
Ma'am,
is the
ma'am, 20, 40, 60, 80,
Can you
100.
find something common in the table of 10?
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, 0.
Yes, ma'am, 0.
0 is coming in every end. 0 is coming at the end. Have you seen
Yes,
this in the
ma'am.
tens table? Everyone can speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This is the common thing you are getting. So for 10, we check the last digit. Last digit should be 0. Last digit should be 0.
0.
Okay. Now for 5, let us see. For 5 is also very easy. Tell me the table of 5.
5 is the 5. 10, 20, 25, 30,
5, 5, 25, 5, 6, 30,
45, 50,
45.
So can you see some similarity in 5 table?
Ma'am, you have
5 and
ma'am,
0.
35.
5 and 0.
Similarity 5 and 0. Last digit is always 0, 5. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So for 5 के लिए we
Ma'am,
check the last digit.
Ma'am, you have written the table wrong.
It's okay, beta. Let it be. 35 आएगा ना? Let it be. Still
Yes, ma'am.
35 is coming na? So last digit should be 5 or 0.
Or 0.
Any one of them. It should be 5 or 0. Just wait. Check it. Done? So we learned for 4, 3, 9. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 3, 9, 10, 5. Now 4 and 6 are left. In your syllabus, 4 is not given, but I will teach you for 4 also. Divisibility test for 4 also, because it is very easy. And 8 also I will teach you. It is not given in your syllabus, but still I will teach you. Okay? Okay. So for 9, 10, 5 we have done, 9, 10 we have done. Okay, 6 is left. What is 6 for? 6 ke liye what will be there? I hope you have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me click a picture. I will send this picture on your WhatsApp group so that you may be able to revise it time to time. Okay, I will send this picture to you. It should be revised well. Okay, anytime. So 4 minutes are left for the meeting. So I can tell you of the 6 also. By the time I can tell you of the 6 also. Next time I'm going to ask you all those who are present over here. For 6. See, how will you check for 6? Okay. See, check. What is 6? 2 3s are 6. Is it so or not? 2 3s are 6. You know how
Yes,
to check
ma'am.
for 2? You know how to check for 2? You know how
Yes,
to check
ma'am.
for 3? You know how to check for 3? For 2 also you know, for 3 also you know. You know that?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
also you know and 3 also you know. So for 6, we check it should be divisible by both. By 2 and by, it should be divisible by 2 also and it should be divisible by 3 also. By both of them. If it is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3, then it will not be divisible by 6. If it is not divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3, it is also again not divisible by 6. It should be divisible by 2 also and it should be divisible by 3 also. Understood? So if I ask you any question, you have to be quick whether it is divisible by this number or not. Okay? Shall I ask you some of the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm going to ask
ma'am.
you a few questions. You have to tell me within a minute. You have to tell me whether it is divisible or not. 4 also I'm telling. 4 it is not given in your syllabus, but it is very easy. You should learn. For 4. For 4 it is you check 2 digits in the, for 1 digit in, for 2 ke liye you check one last digit. For 4 suppose 3 0 2 4. See the last 2 digits. For 4 we check the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits, they should be divisible by.
Ma'am, it is.
Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 24. 24 comes in the table of 4, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, divisible. 4 6 are 24 na? 24 divided by 4.
Yes.
Yes na? So yes, it is divisible by 4. And even
Yes,
double
ma'am.
zeros, if it would be double zero. Last 2 zeros. Then also yes. Last 2 digits divided by 0.
Yes, ma'am, because 0 comes in every table.
Yes.
0 is multiple of every number.
Yes, that's why. Understood? 4 ka ye raha. Now quickly you have to tell me a few answers. Only 1 minute is left. Within 1 minute you have to reply. 3, 5, 2, 9. 2. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
57.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
57 comes in the table of 5, 3 or not? Yes or no?
No,
If
ma'am.
I
No,
say
ma'am.
no,
No,
why
ma'am.
no, bache? See,
No, ma'am.
what answer?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, time is over.
Time is going to be up, so we will do it in next class. Practice this well. I'll send you on WhatsApp this picture. Just do it well. Okay. By evening.
It was very fun.
Yes,
Ma'am?
it's easy. If you'll practice it, you will get
Ma'am?
it. हाँ बच्चे.
Ma'am, this all you have done today, we have to write in notebook also.
No, nothing in notebook today.